The world's most admired products didn't happen by accident. Behind every innovation is a product manager with a bold vision and skills to bring it to life. Today's product managers and leaders are under pressure. Move like Google, innovate like Apple, deliver like Amazon. And yet, many get stuck in a cycle of reactive delivery. But how do you deliver real value when the market changes overnight? Teams are stretched thin and customer expectations never stop rising. When discovery is rushed, a company's product roadmaps are driven by chaotic executive opinions and organizational silos that block collaboration, and it blocks real innovation, so ideas simply slip through the cracks. Features may go live, but value doesn't. Great product companies like Nike and Apple don't just build, they lead. They connect vision to execution. They build with purpose. They align teams, strategy, and customer insights to create products people love. This is the course that helps you break the cycle. You're going to learn to prioritize outcomes over outputs, validate ideas with data, and lead with clarity and confidence. In this course, you'll learn what it takes to lead like they do. Whether you're new to product or you're already leading product management, this course gives you the mindset, tools, and frameworks to build customer-centered product strategy, align product work with business goals, drive innovation with lean, agile, and discovery practices, inspire teams, and scale product thinking across the organization. Because the world doesn't just need more meaningless features. It needs bold product leaders who create meaningful products. Become that leader. Start today.